Buenos dias from El Salvador. My 106th country. I was surprised how simple it was to get here. Avianca has a quick 2-hour flight non-stop from Houston for 120 bucks. Boom! I arrived in the undiscovered capital of San Salvador without any plans. My friend Eduardo from Salvadorian Tours was kind enough to pick us up at the airport and guide us around for a few days. I saw and learned a lot about El Salvador during my short visit, and I can certainly say that this country doesn't get nearly the attention it deserves. Here are 6 things you should know about El Salvador. 1. It's the smallest country in Central America, smaller than Massachusetts, and is home to 6.5 million people, making it the most densely populated country in all the Americas. 2. It's safer than the news says. Everything I heard about El Salvador before my trip revolved around crime and danger. Many people on Instagram told me not to go. Well, guess what? I'm walking around San Salvador and everything feels pretty safe. Every country has good and bad people, but as long as you have common sense, like don't wander alone at night, then you'll be just fine.
Oh, and does.
3. The national dish is pupusas. We are about to eat pupusas, which is the most famous dish in El Salvador. It's a thick rice or corn tortilla stuffed with cheese, peppers, onions, and other ingredients. Then, sizzled over a fire and served piping hot. It's my favorite food in Latin America, but don't forget about the other amazing food in El Salvador, like the fresh fruit, fish, and oh yeah, locally grown coffee. 4. Salvadorian people are extremely warm, friendly, and happy, despite 19% of them living on less than $1.25 per day. We visited some villages in the countryside, and I saw nothing but smiling faces and open arms. 5. El Salvador is the land of the volcanoes. There are hundreds, yes hundreds of volcanoes here. We're hiking a volcano right now, more than 20 of them being active.
Yeah, this is lava. We call it vacuolar lava.
The surrounding nature and wildlife is breathtaking. 6. It's affordable. I found El Salvador to be one of the cheapest countries in Latin America. They also use US dollars, which is convenient and easy. I hope you enjoyed my tour of El Salvador and that you feel inspired to visit this lovely country.